A quality portable monitor can make everyday tasks significantly easier while saving time. These displays help you extend your workspace and improve focus whether you are at home or on the move. Options vary in size, connectivity, and portability, so different setups can match diverse needs and budgets. I will review key features, ease of use, and performance to show what really matters. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 6. This portable monitor highlights a 144 Hz refresh rate that may interest users chasing smoother motion and lower input delay during competitive play or fast action sequences. It also includes a built-in kickstand, giving you flexible positioning on a desk, bed, or tray without needing extra accessories. The panel is large at 16.1 inches, yet the design stays compact, making it easier to fit into a backpack or carry on longer commutes. Compared to heavier alternatives, this combination of high refresh and integrated stand stands out for portability-focused buyers. It suits remote workers and digital nomads who want extra screen space for spreadsheets or media, alongside casual gaming during breaks. You gain a display tuned for responsiveness and practical positioning, while still keeping the profile light. If you regularly move between locations but want smoother visuals and adjustable viewing angles, this model could align well with your setup. Number 5. For anyone needing a second screen with an especially slim and travel-friendly build, the Cocopar 15.6-inch monitor could be a strong fit. This portable monitor delivers 1080p resolution through a single USB-C cable, which handles both display and power when your laptop supports charging. That power pass-through capability means you can plug in the monitor and route power to your laptop at the same time, helping minimize how many separate adapters you juggle in a bag. It supports different devices connecting to laptops, PS4, and Xbox, so it is not limited to office use. If you regularly move between coffee shops, co-working spaces, or client offices, this combination of lightweight, integrated cable management, and wide compatibility helps you set up a productive workspace quickly. Number 4. Designed like a traveler's slim tablet, this 15.6-inch portable display slips easily into a backpack. It delivers full HD on an IPS panel with anti-glare and low blue light, which helps reduce eye strain during long work sessions away from home. A slim USB-C cable handles both video and power delivery, while 2 extra USB-C ports and a mini HDMI connector broaden compatibility with laptops and docks. At 1.37 pounds and just 4 millimeters thick, it adds little weight or bulk to your bag. The screen is made for expanding workspace, making it easier to reference documents side by side or keep chat open while you write. For remote workers and digital nomads, this setup means fewer cables and more usable screen. It earns its spot by packing versatile connectivity into a compact, transport-friendly form factor that suits life on the move. Number 3. This 15.6-inch portable monitor brings a full HD display in a slim, travel-friendly package. USB-C and HDMI connections help it pair with laptops, and the higher resolution gives text and windows a crisper look on detailed screens. For remote workers hopping between cafes and co-working spots, the light build and wide compatibility reduce setup friction when time is limited. It targets professionals who shift desks often and need extra space without carrying heavy hardware. Clear viewing angles help colleagues glance at the screen together during quick reviews. Compared with heavier options, this size and connection mix can suit both desk replacements and tighter bags. Someone moving between a home desk and a small co-working table may find this portable monitor 15.6 1080p computer as a practical second screen without bulk, fitting neatly into a laptop-focused kit. Number 2. This portable display is built around a 15.6-inch FHD screen that aims to deliver sharper text and detailed visuals without adding bulk to your bag. It uses USB-C with DP Alt mode, which can carry video and power, helping reduce cable clutter when you connect it to a compatible laptop or dock. The HDMI input adds flexibility, so you are not limited to USB-C devices and can connect older gear. This matters because it lets you extend your desktop for spreadsheets and maps or stretch a movie across a larger field of view during breaks. It is best for remote workers and digital nomads who move between cafes and co-working spaces and want a straightforward plug-and-play screen. Compared with thinner, lower-resolution options, this combination of size, resolution, and dual connectivity gives it a practical edge on the go. Number 1. Designed as a slim travel-ready screen, this monitor brings a 15.6-inch Full HD panel to your desk or co-working table. Its IPS display covers wide angles, so images stay clear from side to side, while low blue light modes aim to ease eye strain during long sessions. A single USB-C cable can handle both video and power on laptops that support DisplayPort Alt mode, giving you a straightforward dual monitor layout without extra adapters. The compact form makes it easy to toss into a backpack, and the 60Hz refresh is suitable for documents, spreadsheets, and casual media. This setup suits remote workers and digital nomads who need extra screen space without a heavy dock. It earns a spot on the list because it balances portability with core productivity features and straightforward connectivity. Portable monitors provide flexibility for different workflows and setups, depending on your role and environment. Budget-focused buyers, performance-focused buyers, and frequent users will find options that match their priorities. Reviewing detailed specs and user needs helps clarify which features matter most. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.